Welcome to another Simple Dad iPhone tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how to use emojis as stickers on your messages using iOS 17. So with iOS 17, you can now react to images or messages using your emoji, but you'll use them as stickers. So let me show you how to do this. So here I have a message which I've sent. So if I want to react to that message, I can go ahead and tap my keyboard, enable the images, and here from my emoji library, I can go ahead and choose any emoji I like, grab the emoji and drag it to the image. Now I can drop it off anywhere I like on the image. And there you go, you have a sticker as an emoji on the image itself. Now you can add as many emojis as you like. Now if you want to remove the emoji, you can go ahead and long press on the image, tap on sticker details, and here you can see all the images that I've applied on that image. To delete it, just swipe left, press delete. And then you want to just repeat again until you remove all the stickers. So there you go, that is how to use emojis as stickers on messages on iOS 17. Now, if you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps